After that, this is how it's look now. Yeah, I made some change, like you can see here. The three, they are mounted now. So okay, stop. Yeah, this is how it look now. After some change, I made this three wheels here, and then we support the chain, so you can see how the excavator can spin, can turn. This is making this rotation. So now we want to give the first try. So in this try we will see how fast the chain rotate. So let me place some support under the machine. Yeah, I have something on that. Yeah, the chain is a little bit up. It's free now for fear of movement. Now we can do the test. So to control the chain, I have this two wire. These wire are for the chain. So I will simply connect this wire to the battery. Yeah. So as you can see here, yeah, let me lift up a little bit. So now it's good. This two wire I will connect to the battery. This is the battery. I will just plug in. So let's see how the gear will rotate. So go. It's nice, man. Then other direction. That's freaking good, man. So now it's working. Or should we to make one try with the gear on the table, or the chain on the table? So we can see how powerful the motor are. Okay, where's the current? It's the battery. It's the current again. Let me connect. It's in. So go. You see? It's freaking powerful, man. Yo, let me go back. Yeah, it's good. Now it's working. So the next step is to fix the second chain for other side. Yeah, you can also see how this plate rotate. I can also make give one try. So let's see how this platform is rotating. It's also powerful, man. Let's give it a try. So I will use this power supplier because this requires very less current. So this battery is too powerful for the small gear motor. If I place there, and then we heat up very fast. So now what I want to do is just to connect the two wires from the power supplier to the motor gear, and then let's see how the platform rotates. So this, I hope you can see very good. Yeah, let me go a little bit back so we can get a beautiful view. So I place the current. I will decrease the current. I place one battery here, one pole, and the other one here. So now we can try now. So I will just increase the current, and then you will see how fast the thing go. You see? Yeah, just 5 volts is required just 5 volts required to spin the platform, and then I have almost like a 19 degree. So I can also spin to the other side or rotate to the other side. So let's see again. I just changed the ball. Or switch the ball. So now, as you can see now, I switch the ball. Maybe I can come closer to the machine so you can see better. So I just give a little bit more current, and then you will see how fast the thing go. Let's go. Just 5 volts, you see? Only 5 volts is required. This is why I cannot use this battery, because this battery is supplying 40 volts. And 40 volts for more than 10 amps. So this is why I'm not using the external power supplier. Now you can see from the side here, you can also see the gear. The gear is connected to this train, the power train, and the power train is fixed with the gear. Yeah, and then the motor, I can switch here so that we now hit up. Yeah, and this small gear is this one. This small gear is connected with something. If you can see, there's no possibility to show you, but there under the motor, there's another small gear. The gear spin and just rotate with this other gear. Yeah, this one I want to show. So there's a lot of work to make in this machine until this became drivable. So yeah, it's good, it's nice. It's nice. So let me stop the video now and make some. Yeah, you can see from here, you can see it like the words. Yeah, it's good. All are 3D printed. But inside you have some screws to fix the chain, to squeeze the chain. Here you also have something. It's also 3D printed. Then we will see how long it lasts, right? This is the point. Here is the valve controller. Is distribute the hydraulic pressure to the cylinder. Yeah, and that's it. I also want to show you something. No, in the next video I will show you. Bye.